7 skills you need to get a data analyst job. There's no keeping the future from getting business lies in data. Data is getting bigger and bigger these days, unlike any other time. Most people in the world generate large amounts of data about themselves throughout their lives. From shopping on the web to utilizing wellness trackers to posting via online media, data is all over the place. It needs talented data analysts to decipher and use this data business. That is why professions and data analyst jobs are blasting and will probably keep on thriving great into what's to come. Data analysts are required in every significant industry and business, just as in administrative and scholarly work. Let's discuss how to describe a data analyst job. A data analyst recovers, coordinates, and examines data to assist an organization with improving creation, proficiency, or another significant part of the business activities. Data analysts work in all businesses, from retail to the scholarly community. Regularly, they utilize the data they assemble to make reports that sum up examples and offer answers for partners as refreshed frameworks, methodologies, or conventions. Organizations use data analysts explicitly to improve results like efficiency or benefits or get representative or client needs. Here are the technical and soft skills that you need for a data analyst job. Number 1, SQL. Structured Query Language, regularly known as SQL, is a well-known programming language for relational data sets. Regardless of being older than numerous different kinds of code, it is the most generally executed query language. If you're planning to gain a powerful skill as a data analyst, it should be SQL. SQL can be utilized to share and oversee information, especially one that is found in relational database management systems, which incorporate information coordinated into tables. Numerous documents, each containing tables of data, likewise, might be connected by a common field. Utilizing SQL, you can search, update, and redesign information, just as make and alter the composition, schema, of a dataset framework and control admittance to its information. Number 2, Python and R. R is a statistics-oriented language famous among statisticians and is not excessively hard to learn. When you need to figure out how to create statistical programming, R is an excellent language to know. It additionally permits you to control and graphically show information. On the other hand, Python's fundamental advantage is its wide assortment of libraries, pandas, NumPy, SciPy, and so forth, that can be used in statistical analysis. Since Python, similar to R, an open-source language, refreshes are added rapidly. Another factor to consider is that Python may be the most straightforward to learn because of its effortlessness and the wide accessibility of courses and assets. Number 3, data visualization. Having the option to recount a convincing story with data is vital to making yourself clear and keeping your crowd locked in. On the off chance that your discoveries can't be effectively and immediately recognized, you will struggle to break through to other people. Consequently, data visualization can represent the deciding moment impact with regards to the effect of your data. Investigators use eye-getting, great outlines, and charts to introduce their discoveries reasonably and concisely. Tableau and Power BI are viewed as the industry standard examination instrument, as it is refreshingly easy to understand. Number 4, statistics. As new technologies enable people to process and interpret ever-increasing amounts of data, statistics are playing an increasingly important part in many decision-making processes today. In simple terms, statistics is the grammar of science. Number 5, spreadsheets. Spreadsheets are a decent tool for the analysis of tabular data, which can be used for visualization purposes. While SQL is regularly the programming of choice for data analysts, knowledge and understanding of primary, remote, and broad spreadsheet tools are essential. Some organizations may favor reports or data sets introduced through conventional spreadsheet tools. According to Stanford University, a significant fraction of the world's structured data is managed and manipulated in spreadsheets. Also, spreadsheets are used by 750 million people minus 10% of the world's population. That means you have a chance to get entry-level data analyst jobs by only having that skill. Number 6, critical thinking. Critical thinking abilities aren't only indispensable to great programming, they're significant, so you understand what inquiries to pose when you're investigating and deciphering data. Calculations and automation will, in any case, take data examination up to this point. The capacity to see and reason out secret associations is significant expertise for any data researcher. This is particularly valid for data analysts with aspirations toward remaining on the front line, You'll need to figure out how to think around corners instead of inclining toward setting up an everyday practice. Organizations frequently task data analysts with both gathering and deciphering the data for a particular reason. Understanding what data to collect and how to use it to collect the correct data is a critical thinking skill essential for data experts to create. And number 7, communication. A data analyst's work burrowing through raw data doesn't help anybody on the off chance that they do not have the relational abilities to enlighten the remainder of their group concerning their discoveries such that it's straightforward. Data analysts ought to have brilliant communication abilities across various environments, including written, oral, and visualization software. Data analysts might be needed to report their determinations to a group in a social environment, so open talking and introduction are significant abilities. Because of first-class relational abilities, data analysts can help their organization's chiefs settle on educated choices about what to do straight away. In general, we can say that data analytics is a branch that combines many tech and soft skills. To get data analyst jobs, you should focus on those 7 key features. We can compare the data analyst to the pentathlon runners in athletics. You should train yourself in different types of tools and disciplines together. If you're looking for a data analytics program with a proven track record, Clarusway could be right for you. Clarusway's data analytics program teaches you how to decipher raw data to develop relevant results that will aid the decision-making process for business. This 13-week course covers data analytics with SQL and with MS SQL Server, exploratory data analysis and data visualization with Python, data visualization with Tableau, and statistics for data science. You'll have 180 hours of live and class sessions, over 54 hours of CMS, 42 hands-on activities, and 6 projects. It culminates with a capstone project. Visit our website for more information and talk to an advisor.